Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and today I'm going to show you a summery bronzed beauty look. It's beautiful, you can wear it any point because hey, makeup is what you make it. I'm gonna start by I prepped my skin already with moisturizer and serum, and now I'm gonna prime it using the Nykaa Prep Me Up. Today's look, I'm not going to use a foundation. I'm only going to use a concealer because that's just what I prefer, and I think that's just what's needed for this look. We don't want to make it look too made up. We just want it to be summery and bronzed. Next, I'm going in with this bronzer. It's absolutely beautiful. It's called Sun Kissed and it's by Focallure. I love the bronzing that this product does to the face. It's just enough, just the right amount. It doesn't make it look too orangey. Now I'm going in with the Colorbar blush by which is called Sweet Scarlet, another one of my holy grail products. And I am putting some loose powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm applying it to the places I concealed and any places that I feel needs this powder on my face. I'm then going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This is in the shade Sundipped. I'm highlighting the high points of my face, my nose, as well as parts of my forehead. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to brush them through nicely. Again, since this is a beautiful summery bronzy look, we don't want to make our eyebrows too perfect or too hard. We just want to fill it in just the right amount. I'm going to use the product Nykaa Take a Brow for this. I love the applicator. I think most of the process is done by it and you don't have to work too hard. I then brush it through once I've filled it in, and then I'm going to just apply some brow gel to keep them in place. Now I'm going to start with eyeshadow. The palette I'm using is the Forever 52 matte palette. I think this is in the 0005, that's the number of this palette. I'm going to start with the peachy shade in my transition area. And I'm going to build it up with the light brown shade. With a slightly more tapered brush, I'm going to take the light brown shade and this slightly darker brown shade just in the crease area. This will help to define the crease more, especially because I have smaller eyes. Rather I would say the space between my eyes is very less, so defining the crease is important. I'm now going to take the Huda Nude Beauty Eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take the shades Raw and Tease. Sorry, for this one particularly, for the eyeshadow on the mobile eyelid, I'm taking only the shade Raw. And I'm applying it all over the eyelid. Then I'm going in with the shade Tease and Raw, and just darkening the crease area. I'm also going to add a bit of Lovebite to this. I'm now going to add the same shades on my lower lid. Now I'm going to take the shade Fantasy, which is the pressed shadow, shimmery shadow, and I'm going to add it on my lid. I thought it was too shimmery for the look, so I've taken a layer of Raw and I've added it on it, so it gives a beautiful shine through the shade Raw. Layering eyeshadows also make it look beautiful. Now I'm just going to take a blending brush and I'm just trying to blend the edges to make the look flawless. Now I'm going to take the dark brown shade, the slightly reddish shade, and the black shade, a very little bit of black, and I'm deepening the crease because I thought I needed a bit more deepening in the crease. This depth has really made a difference to the look. Now I'm again going and blending out the edges just to ensure that it's a bit seamless. I'm just touching up the lower lid because I felt it needed a bit more. Now I'm tight lining my upper lid with the Colorbar Kajal in the shade Hot Chocolate. I love this kajal, it's my holy grail product. I use it all the time. I don't quite like using black because I feel it's a bit too harsh on me. So this shade of brown looks absolutely beautiful and stunning. I'm just gonna smudge this out because the look for today is a smudged, soft, grungy look that I'm looking for. I'm not looking at a hard line, so again I'm gonna go in with the reddish tone and the black tone, and I'm just going over the Colorbar Kajal to set it in place. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm going in with mascara. This is the L'Oreal Mascara Lash Paradise. Again, I love this because it gives length, it gives volume, it just does the job. I felt I needed a little more bronzer after the eye look was over, so I'm just touching up my bronzer, and this time I'm using the shimmery part as well. It does not come out to be very shiny or powdery shimmery. It is just the right amount of glow that it gives. And I'm touching my blush up a bit. I'm adding some highlight under my brow bone, on the inner corner of my eyes, and just touching up my nose and the high points of my cheek. I'm finishing the look with the Liquid Lip Matte by Nykaa, which is in the shade Bombay. Again, this is a beautiful natural pink shade. And finally, I'm adding the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. So there you go guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do like the video, please put a thumbs up and do subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate the time you've taken out to come by and see this video. Do try the look out and comment below and let me know how it turned out. This is a beautiful look, and it does come in between a natural summery bronzy look. So I really hope you liked it. Do press the bell icon to get notifications when I upload my videos. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.